Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to mirror image in Picsart. To mirror an image in Picsart, first of all, open up the Picsart application on your device. Now make sure to tap the plus icon at the bottom and then select open a recent project from your account, or you can also choose a photo from your device's camera roll. After you add the photo on your canvas, go ahead and tap on the Tools button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the menu that pops up, click on Crop. Now click on Rotate at the bottom and click on the horizontal button. Right after you do that, you will be able to mirror your image. It will make the image face on opposite direction. Once you are done, tap on Apply at the top right corner, and there you have successfully mirrored an image in Picsart. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.